you will undoubtedly feel very relaxed and very light. Alpha state of brain activity for deep focus and for a deeper relaxation response in the brain. Namaste. Though most of us are aware of the innumerable scientific and spiritual benefits of meditation, actually practicing it can be a significant challenge for many. Finding the right time and space to meditate, even for just few minutes, can seem daunting in today's fast-paced world. In this special video, I'll be teaching you an alternative approach for those who struggle to begin their meditation journey due to restless mind and racing thoughts. This method can be of great help to those who struggle to meditate despite of making multiple attempts to focus their minds. After practicing it for a few times, you will notice that your mind gradually becomes more cooperative, allowing you to immerse yourself in the experience of solitude that you aim to explore during meditation. I have named this effective technique as tapping method. Yes, tapping method. All you have to do is to gently start tapping different parts of your body, instructing specific area, region or organ to deeply relax. You may choose either to utter the word relax aloud or mentally visualize relaxation spreading into your system through your gentle touch. By doing this, you'll not only be giving clear instruction to enhance a relaxation response to your body or internally, but also you will be bringing in your conscious awareness to that specific part through your gentle touch, helping your mind to focus more on the process through this. This can serve as a stepping stone for you to explore deeper focus in future meditative techniques that you may practice. This might take somewhere around probably 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how slowly you want to do this or proceed with this whole phenomena. Remember, every time your mind wanders, just gently tap your body and try to bring back awareness to that specific area, organ or sensation of the touch. Instruct clearly through your mind, bringing a feeling of relaxation to that area with each gentle tap. This focused attention and intentionally willingness to deeply relax your body can create a deep relaxation response in your system and enhance the effectiveness of the technique itself. At the end of the technique, you will undoubtedly feel very relaxed and very light. It is important to remember that much of the stress we experience is generated through our thoughts, and it actually finds place in our own bodies. Initiating a relaxation response through our own muscle with the help of our loving touch can be a powerful tool to kickstart healing process within our own selves. The true benefit of meditation technique lies in the journey you undertake as you continue to practice it. Each practice session offers an opportunity for deeper self-awareness and healing, paving the way for greater peace and well-being into your life. After practicing tapping method for a couple of days or weeks and noticing improvements in your body's relaxation response, you can gradually take a transition into meditating using one of the several simple techniques that resonates with you very well. You may also opt to incorporate tapping method prior to any of the meditation practices that you want to follow. Relaxing your body through this technique before dwelling into a more intense meditative state can be beneficial, as gentle taps can easily induce alpha state of brain activity for deep focus and for a deeper relaxation response in the brain. Your body will naturally respond to this relaxation through the initiation of the deep tapping or the inhalations and exhalations that goes along with this tapping, helping you to experience a deeper sense of meditativeness effortlessly. Think of tapping method as a bridge that aids you to overcome the challenge of focusing the mind and relaxing it to access deeper states of your meditativeness or deeper states of solace. Tapping method, though sounds like a fun activity, can actually induce a great discipline in your system, so that as soon as you initiate the process or the action of wanting to relax yourself, your body already has the memory to get into that serene state of mind. Tapping method has innumerable other responses. There are certain methods like emotional freedom technique where we deliberately tap at certain points of meridians that are running through our body and also feed some specific words as instructions to implement them through the subconscious mind. The tapping method that I've just taught you actually is simpler than any such methods of parallelly inducing some other instructions other than giving the specific word relax as a clear-cut message to the body. Well, while running in the fast-paced life, being too anxious about doing too many things, wanting the system to relax can be of great help to your health and well-being. I hope you like this information. If you do, please share it with your loved ones. Next time, I'll meet you again with another useful insight on holistic wellness and toddler therapy. Until then, please take care of your emotional and mental well-being. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe for our YouTube channel for more such useful insights. Namaste.